Whether it's a beautiful turkey you have prepared for your Thanksgiving feast, a ham you have cooked to perfection for Christmas dinner, or a roast you have made for just an average weeknight's dinner, any old knife isn't going to do when it comes to slicing it. You are going to need a sharp, powerful carving knife to cut through the meat. In this video, we will discuss the top 5 best carving knives in 2023. So let's get started.
Hi! If you are new here, welcome. You are watching Compact Reviews. We aim to update on the latest and best everything that has to do with cooking and the kitchen. We test them out in real life so you know what they're like even before buying them. For someone who loves cooking, nothing could be better than Compact Reviews.
Number 1. Victorinox Swiss Army Cutlery Fibrox Pro Slicing Knife. When it comes to accuracy and precision for carving, look no further than the Victorinox Swiss Army 12-inch Fibrox Pro Slicing Knife with Granton blade. This knife is outfitted with a blade that has a long and narrow shape that has a razor-sharp edge. It is designed to offer the absolute best cutting performance. Not only can it easily handle cutting through various types of meats, but it can also cut through more delicate items, such as sandwiches, breads, and cakes. The unique design of the Granton blade makes pockets of air between the blade and the item you are cutting. This prevents food from sticking to the blade, and it also creates less friction between the blade and the meat, allowing for a more effortless movement and greater efficiency. Number 2. The Mercer Culinary Millennia Slicer Knife. One of the first things that we were impressed about by the Mercer Culinary Millennia 14-inch Granton Edge Slicer Knife is how comfortable the handle is. That's because it is ergonomically and made out of a combination of santoprene and polypropylene, which makes it extremely comfortable and durable. It also has textured finger points, which help to improve grip and prevent slippage. The handle also has a protective finger guard, which maximizes the safety of this carving knife. The blade is made from extremely high-quality Japanese steel, which allows it to maintain its sharp edge for longer periods of time. When the blade does need to be sharpened, it sharpens with the greatest of ease, and quickly, which always ensures that you will have a razor-sharp edge to slice with. Number 3. The Full Arrow Clamshell Arrow Knife. The arrow knife is designed to stay razor-sharp for its full lifetime. That is thanks to its aerodynamic design, which creates less friction between the blade and whatever item you are slicing, whether it's meat or bread. This means that food won't stick to the blade, making for clean, easy cuts every time you pass the blade through any food item. The arrow knife is truly one of the most versatile knives you will have in your cutlery drawer or knife block. It carves, slices, fillets, chops, dices, and so much more, with the greatest of ease. Thanks to the construction and the design of the handle, you will also enjoy maximum comfort while you are slicing, allowing you to use it for prolonged periods of time without having to worry about pinching or discomfort in your hand. Number 4. The Xylus Carving Knife. The high-carbon stainless steel blade of the Xylus carving knife has an extremely sharp cutting edge, and it retains its sharpness for longer periods of time than other carving knives. This means that you can enjoy slicing your meats for a long time without having to worry about sharpening the blade. With an ergonomically designed handle, this carving knife is ideal for slicing through even the most coarse cuts of meat, including whole turkeys, chickens, and hams, as well as roasts, yet it is also delicate enough to handle cutting through finer meats, including fish fillets, smoothly and effortlessly. Additionally, the ergonomic handle is covered with a soft, tough rubber grip, which ensure you will have the best possible grip, and reduces hand fatigue, allowing for improved control and greater precision. Number 5. Myrico Ultra Sharp Premium Carving Knife. This best carving knife for brisket is very expertly designed with a super sharp 11-inch stainless steel blade. We love it for cutting brisket, smoked salmon, roast, as well as fruits and vegetables. An ergonomic design uses a contoured black pakkawood handle, which conforms well to your hand for good control and little hand fatigue. We love the hand-polished bolster on this carving knife, which helps create better weight distribution for a finer cut. It also helps protect your fingers from getting sliced accidentally. Kudos for an included sheath, which is BPA-free and stain-resistant. That was our list of the top 5 best carving knives in 2023 just for you.